Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So I got this the other day. It's kind of an interesting adjustable wrench that I got at the flea market, and it doesn't work. You're supposed to turn it right here, and then that makes this little guy go up and down. But unfortunately, it's jammed, or I should say fortunately, because I got it cheaper that way. And I thought, I'd kind of like to have this in my toolbox. Seems like a tool I might use. And it's got this Craftsman finish on it that, really it just needs some cleaning up and fix the adjustment thing, and it'll probably be good to go. So let's do that. Well, that's it. It was difficult breaking it loose, but other than that, it's smooth as silk now. Runs great. Run like it's motorized. No, it's real easy to use, and I think it'll be a real handy tool to put in my toolbox. But here, I'll let you have a look at it up close. So that's it. See you next time.